Everybody is doing ice plunges lately. Cold therapy, discipline, dopamine, and I wanted into. But there is just one problem. I only have $10 budgeted for this. Will I be able to make it happen? So I started doing some research. It turns out that some people are taking this seriously, like really seriously. Custom built tubs, water filtration system, chillers that keep the temperature precisely at 3 degrees Celsius, Bluetooth controlled timers, and everything in their backyard. It looks amazing, feels like a James Bond villain wellness retreat. Sounds super cool, but it's way over my budget. So I need to look for something cheaper. Because I'm a millennial, I'll try to solve this problem the only way I know how. Looking for on YouTube. How to make a cheap cold plunge. There are a lot of good options out there and very practical, but they vary from $100 to $400 each. And while that's a lot more affordable than the original $5,000 we found, it's still over my $10 budget, so I need to go cheaper. I found this guy showcases a number of options, and I really like the first one. Buy a bunch of ice from the store and dump it in your bathtub. He says it works great, but it costs around $30 to $40. A bit pricey, he says. So I did a bit more research on this topic, and I found out something really shocking. Ice, it's actually frozen water. I have water at home and also freezer. I wonder how I can use those things. So I opened up the freezer and started getting creative. I grabbed everything that can hold water. Ice cube trays, mugs, pots, a measuring jug, and even that one thermal cup I never used but I refused to throw away. In the meantime, I filled my bathtub with the coldest water I could get so it's nice and ready. All I have to do now is dump everything in a bathtub, wait a few minutes, and get the party started. There is a bit of a trick here. If you have large containers of ice, it will take a bit longer for them to melt and cool down the water. So I will have to wait for about 3 or 5 minutes after everything is in. And that's pretty much it. I will set the alarm for 10 minutes and jump right in it. I've been doing cold shower for a long time, so now I find this oddly enjoyable. There is another trick. After some time, your body will create a thin layer of warm water around your skin, so it's important to move constantly to keep the really cold water on your skin. So, the bottom line is that you can do a lot of things with very little resources. So never let your lack of resources be an excuse for not doing what you want to do. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel a lot. See you in the next video.